Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna make a sign with numbers for the house, and it's gonna look like this. First, I bought some wood that it's smooth on one side and has some grooves on the other. As you can tell closely, you can buy any type of wood that's meant to be for outdoors, and this one is painted already. What I did is I painted this one because I was making two. The first step is to cut the wood according to what your sign is gonna look like. I aligned the numbers. On this one is gonna be vertical. On each number there are templates, and on these templates it has X's where the holes are going to be. It comes with the hardware. So what I've done is take out all the templates and align them. I put some tape on all of them so they could be together, and another tape to put it into place. And it's centered from both sides. And now we're gonna make some holes on all the X's, and per the instructions just follow the size. I think on this one is 1/8. So grab your drill and do the holes on each one. It's not that hard, it all depends on the type of wood that you have. Once you are done, then you're ready to go to the next step. On this one I painted before I drilled the holes, but on the other one I actually did the holes first, painted the wood afterwards. But since I was doing two, I painted both. If you do decide to make the holes afterwards, just leave the paper until you're done with the holes and then continue. The next step is to grab the screws that go into the numbers and put the screws on them. Once you're done with all the screws, then you can put some silicone on the holes. That's what the instructions say. And then put the numbers on them. Now, I didn't put any silicone because the holes were pretty tight, so I didn't need to put the silicone on there. If you do make the holes a little bit bigger and it's loose, then just put some silicone. Once you do that, then just press slowly each screw onto place, and then do that with the rest of the numbers. Now that we are done with the numbers, then all you have to do is make a couple of holes, one on top, one on the bottom, and do the same on the wall, or in my case I'm gonna put it on a post and put the same holes there. And if you put it on a brick, then pre-drill the holes there, and then you put the anchors. Once you put the anchors, then go ahead and put the screws on there. And make sure that you use screws that are all weather, and if you want you can paint over them or put some silicone over them as well. This way they don't rust. And that is it. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.